हिलता डुलता रेड कार्पेट, एक मस्ती से भरा हुआ रेड कार्पेट, ऐसा रेड कार्पेट जहां स्टार्स ने करी एक दूसरे की बोलती बंद।
Just keep quiet, both of you.
जी हाँ, ऐसा ही नजारा था रिसेंटली हुए एक अवार्ड्स नाइट का, जहां स्पॉट हुए बी टाउन के कई सेलेब्स। यहाँ आई दीपिका wearing a beautiful shade of green and looking super hot, giving her competition were Katrina Kaif and Malaika cladded in black. सोनाक्षी और परिणीति ने किया हमें अपनी ड्रेसिंग से totally disappoint। तो वहीं विद्या दिखी in her usual traditional boring अवतार। चित्रांगदा looked super glam in that white gown। और अब बात करें हमारे men of Bollywood की, तो we spotted अभिषेक बच्चन, Big B, अर्जुन रामपाल, Arjun Kapoor, Ayushmann Khurrana, Kunal Kapoor, Arbaz Khan and the students of the year Alia, Varun and Siddharth Malhotra. But was it just about the red carpet here? क्योंकि इस evening का सबसे interesting नजारा तो ये रहा। Now well that's प्रियंका जो कि दिख रही हैं yet again यहाँ एक इंटरेस्टिंग सा एरियल एक्ट करते हुए। बट प्रियंका की इस परफॉर्मेंस को किया किसी ने मिस, और वो थी दीपिका पादुकोण।
I don't know what she did. I've just come, but I think I'm going to watch the telecast and see what she did. She's a wonderful performer on stage.
बट प्रियंका की ऑन स्टेज परफॉर्मेंस ही नहीं, दीपिका even think it's a big thing to be nominated with PC and others.
I think it's always nice to be nominated, and especially the fact that this year there have been some amazing female performances, be it Vidya, be it Sridevi, or even Priyanka. So I'm just really honored that I've been nominated in the same category as all these people.
But ask about her favorite male actor this year, and this leggy lass is pretty confident about her ex-boyfriend Ranbir Kapoor's victory.
Absolutely, but he's definitely my favorite, and to me it means a lot that he feels that way, because according to me, from the newer generation, he is probably the finest actors we have. And if you ask me, in the males, in the guys who should win, I definitely think he's going to win, and I'm pretty sure he's going to win.
Well, Dippy, now that's some confidence. वैसे यहाँ सिर्फ दीपिका ही नहीं बल्कि कटरीना भी दिखी in a mood to talk for a change. कटरीना ने यहाँ बात करी अपनी आने वाली फिल्म धूम 3 के बारे में।
I think see, Dhoom is a franchise that today is Dhoom 3. I think next time they make it will be Dhoom 4, and you have to keep changing, you know. So next time it will be another girl, another villain also. So instead of Amrit, it will be someone. So I think that's the type of the film and the franchise, and all we can do is hope that we're doing a good job.
और साथ ही बताया खुद को धूम गर्ल।
I mean, I'm in Dhoom, so I guess that makes me a Dhoom girl.
और कुछ इस तरह this interesting evening came to an end with glamour, gossip and drama. हार्दिक तना, Zoom, Mumbai।